Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about 10 fashion mistakes that can secretly make you look older. And don't worry, I'll show you how to fix them easily. If you love fashion and want to stay stylish, keep watching. Oversized sweaters? Love them! They're perfect for those chilly days when you just want to feel cozy and warm. But there's a fine line between looking stylishly relaxed and appearing like you're drowning in fabric. But sometimes we can get a little too comfy and end up swimming in fabric. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that bigger is always better when it comes to comfort. However, wearing clothes that are excessively baggy can actually work against you. It can make you look shapeless and even a bit sloppy. The key is to strike a balance between comfort and style. Wearing clothes that are way too big can hide your figure and make you look older. The key is balance. You don't have to completely abandon your love for oversized pieces. Instead, think about how you can incorporate them into your wardrobe in a way that still flatters your body. Instead of ditching oversized pieces, define your waist with a cute belt or roll up those sleeves. These small adjustments can make a huge difference in how your outfit looks and feels. A belt can add structure to an otherwise loose outfit, giving you a more defined silhouette. Pair flowy tops with a tuck or wide-leg trousers with a fitted top to create shapes and show off your natural beauty. Confidence is key. When you mix and match different styles, you can create a look that is both comfortable and chic. For example, tucking in a flowy top can instantly give you a more polished appearance. Similarly, wearing wide-leg trousers with a fitted top can balance out the volume and highlight your waist. When you feel good in what you're wearing, it shows. Confidence radiates from within and can make any outfit look amazing. So don't be afraid to experiment with your style and find what makes you feel your best. Stay tuned for the next fashion mistake. We'll be diving into more tips and tricks to help you elevate your style and avoid common pitfalls. Remember, fashion is all about expressing yourself and having fun with your wardrobe. Let's talk shoes. Shoes are more than just a necessity. They are a statement piece that can elevate your entire look. The right pair of shoes can add that extra flair to your outfit, making you feel confident and stylish. But there's a catch. A killer pair can make or break an outfit, transforming a simple ensemble into something extraordinary. However, the wrong pair can do the exact opposite, dragging down even the most fashionable attire. But holding onto outdated styles can age your look. Think clunky platforms, super square toes, or chunky heels. These styles had their moment, but now they can make you look stuck in the past. It's essential to keep your shoe collection updated to reflect current trends. Vintage can be chic, but there's a fine line. The key is to mix vintage pieces with modern elements to create a balanced look. A pair of vintage shoes can be a great addition to your wardrobe if styled correctly. Update your shoe game with sleek ankle boots, pointed toe flats, or trendy sneakers. Comfort is key. Modern shoes are designed to be both stylish and comfortable, so you don't have to sacrifice one for the other. There are tons of brands creating fashionable, comfy shoes. From high-end designers to more affordable options, there's something for everyone. Investing in a few key pairs can make a huge difference in your overall style. Ditch those dusty old shoes and step into something modern and chic. It's time to let go of the past and embrace the future of fashion. Your shoes should reflect who you are today, not who you were years ago. Stay tuned for the next fashion mistake. We're just getting started on this journey to elevate your style. Don't miss out on the tips and tricks that will keep you looking your best. Accessories can complete an outfit, but over-accessorizing can make you look cluttered and older. Choose your accessories wisely and let a few key pieces shine. Opt for a minimalist approach. A delicate necklace, simple earrings, or a classic watch can add polish without overwhelming your look. Edit your accessories and see how much more modern and chic your look becomes. Stay tuned for the next fashion mistake. The colors we wear can impact our overall look. Some colors can make us look washed out and older. Muted pastels or overly pale shades can dull our complexion. Embrace vibrant, jewel-toned hues like emerald green, sapphire blue, ruby red, or rich burgundy. These colors are universally flattering and add sophistication and vibrancy. Experiment with color combinations or go monochromatic for a modern vibe. Embrace those vibrant hues that make you feel confident and radiant. Stay tuned for the next fashion mistake. Head-to-toe matching is outdated. Perfectly coordinated outfits can make you look dated. Instead of perfect symmetry, embrace mixing and matching for interesting contrasts. Pair different textures or experiment with patterns for a playful twist. Fashion is about expressing individuality, so don't be afraid to break the rules. Ditch matchy-matchy sets and embrace the beauty of mixing and matching. Stay tuned for the next fashion mistake. Finding the perfect pair of jeans can be tough. With so many styles, cuts, and lengths available, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But one of the most common mistakes people make is choosing jeans that are either too long or too short. Jeans that are too long or too short can age us. They can disrupt the balance of our outfit and make us look less polished. Long, dragging jeans can make us look shorter and wider, and they can be a tripping hazard. Not only do they look sloppy, but they can also get dirty and frayed at the hem, which is never a good look. On the other hand, too short jeans can make our legs look stumpy and disproportionate. They can cut off the natural line of our legs, making us appear shorter than we actually are. The key is to find the right length where the hem grazes the top of your shoes or falls at your ankle bone. This length elongates your legs and creates a more streamlined silhouette. This creates a long, lean silhouette and makes you look taller and more put together. When your jeans fit well, they can enhance your overall appearance and boost your confidence. If jeans don't fit perfectly off the rack, get them tailored. A tailor can adjust the length to suit your body perfectly, ensuring that your jeans look custom-made. A good tailor can make sure your jeans fit like a glove. They can also make other adjustments, such as taking in the waist or tapering the legs, to ensure the perfect fit. Embrace the power of a perfect fit. Well-fitted jeans can make you feel more confident and stylish. They can be the foundation of a great outfit, whether you're dressing up or keeping it casual. Stay tuned for the next fashion mistake. We'll continue to explore common fashion pitfalls and how to avoid them, so you can always look your best. Our hairstyle can date us if we're not careful. Sometimes a little refresh can work wonders. Updating your hairstyle is like an instant facelift. A fresh cut or new styling technique can take years off your look. Chat with your hairstylist about what suits your face shape and hair texture. Experiment with new hair accessories or different partings. Stay tuned for the next fashion mistake. The type of bag you choose can affect your overall look. Oversized slouchy bags can make outfits look frumpy. Opt for structured styles like tote bags, crossbody purses, or chic mini bags. Structured bags have a defined shape that holds its own, even when not filled to the brim. They instantly elevate any outfit and are super practical with designated compartments. Ditch shapeless sacks and embrace structured bags. Stay tuned for the next fashion mistake. Prints and patterns can add personality, but outdated prints can date our look. Opt for modern and updated styles like abstract patterns, geometric designs, or minimalist florals. Experiment with different prints to find what suits your personal style. Ditch outdated prints and embrace modern patterns. Stay tuned for the last fashion mistake. Wearing the wrong undergarments can create lumps, bumps, and visible panty lines. Invest in well-fitting, supportive undergarments that disappear under your clothes. Get fitted for a bra by a professional and experiment with different styles and fabrics. Seamless underwear is a lifesaver under form-fitting outfits. Shapewear can create a sleek silhouette. The foundation of a great outfit starts with the right undergarments. Stay tuned for the outro. So there you have it. 10 fashion mistakes that can make you look older, but now you know exactly how to fix them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more amazing fashion tips.